Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel CloudOps Champion. In today's video, we will see how to configure self-hosted agent into Azure DevOps. So let's get started. I have two things opened in my browser. One is my Azure portal and then second is my DevOps portal. So first I have created one VM inside my Azure portal. I have given name it as WinVM WestOS POC. And second thing is I have also opened that VM into my machine. I've taken the RDP basically. So first we will go to Azure portal, DevOps portal. So from here you have to go to organization settings, then click agent pools. Here you will see two options, Azure pipelines, then default. So basically Azure pipelines are the Microsoft hosted agents and default pipelines is the self-hosted agents. You can create here your self-hosted agents. Also, if you want a separate pool where, like suppose if there is a requirement, you want a separate pool of self-hosted agents, so you can do that as well. So what in this video, what I'll do, I'll create a new pool of self-hosted agents. I'll name it as self-hosted, then create. If you see one new one new pool is created, self-hosted. Go inside that, then we have to click new agent. Once you click here, you will see the steps to configure self-hosted agent. This is for Windows, this is for Mac OS, and this is for Linux. So it has for every architecture like x86 and then x64. So I have x64 architecture machine, basically 64-bit. So I will follow these steps. So first of all, it's saying me download the agent. So I'll just download this agent. It's downloading. So I clicked download and my agent is now downloaded. I'll go to the folder. I will copy this zip file into my virtual machine. So it's taking a lot of time to copy that file into the virtual machine because it is like 256 MB of file. So what I'll do, I'll cancel it and I'll open Microsoft Edge browser. I'll try to log in my account here directly and then from here I'll download that file. So guys, I have signed in to my account into the virtual machine and from here I'll go to organization settings and then agent pools basically. Then go to your created self-hosted agent pool, click new agent, then from here download it. So the speed is very good here. Once it's downloaded, So guys, once your file is downloaded into the downloads folder, just navigate to your PowerShell window and then first navigate to your Azure DevOps portal. Then follow these PowerShell commands. So as you can see, it's saying the path is C drive. So I'll just go back to C drive and then paste this command. Then second command. So the command is executed. I'll go here and run the next command. So it's saying me enter server URL. So what I have to do is go to my DevOps portal again. Then I'll copy this URL, paste here, enter it, then again enter it. So you have to create a personal access token. Go to your Azure DevOps portal, click this user setting icon, click personal access tokens, and click new, name it as self hosted, then give full access and create it. Copy this token, go to your PowerShell window, paste it, and enter it. Now you have to enter the agent pool name which we have created. Give it name as self hosted. That is the name we have given. We have to give the name of the self hosted agent. So by default it's saying WinVM WestOS P. So I'll name it as same and enter it. So it's saying successfully added the agent testing agent connection. It's done. Then it's saying enter a work folder. You can create an folder inside inside this virtual machine, and then you can make it as a working folder. So now I'll just enter it as it will take a by default hyphen work folder, and then it's saying enter. So here it's saying enter run agent as service. So we will select it as no, means N. then enter it. Then again type n. Once this is done, one more command is pending. Go to your Azure DevOps folder and then copy this one and then run it. So basically this will try to see if there is any jobs are running in the self-hosted agent. So I'll just minimize this because no jobs are running currently. So if I go to my agent pools again and then self-hosted agent, go to agents. Now you can see one agent is created with the name of my VM and it's online as well. So if you want to see its configurations like specifications, then you can click capabilities. Here you will see all the details present about the self-hosted agent. So that's it in this video. Please do comment, like and share. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.